because I'm going with you all the times now. show? Because I'm going with you all the times now. Is there one tomorrow? Can we go? When we go, you have to swerve.
I can't swerve. I can't swerve in my car.
Don't swerve, but like rev, because I'm in the car. You're going to rev, but you're not gonna. It's not gonna be decent, but I don't care. You're still gonna rev. That was crazy. The two guys were like. Have you ever seen when one time get in a car accident for doing this?
Not in real life, but I've seen videos. I thought that person was gonna get in one.
I thought the person that went, like the two first people that swerved, I thought they were gonna crash into the other people. Yeah, I didn't
Oh man, he did it in between the cars. That was crazy. He did it while the cars were moving in between them. That takes skill right there.
Oh, they're watching
Hey, we moved in the wrong spot.
because I'm going with you all the time